Hi, this is YouTube Vids, and coming soon I will be publishing a multi-part series of videos where I teach you the basics of web development. My intended audience is anyone with interest in learning web development, no matter your current experience level. I will start with the basics and work my way up to more advanced topics. My approach to these videos will assume you have zero knowledge in any of the topics I plan to cover. I do, however, assume you know what operating system you are using and that you are capable of installing programs. If you have any real-world experience in web development, you may find yourself familiar with some of the topics I cover, and you may yet find yourself learning something new. I encourage everyone to follow along and watch the videos in their entirety to get the most out of each session despite your current experience level. Let's cover what you will need to follow along for the first several sessions. My working environment is on a Windows 10 operating system. While you should be able to do everything on another operating system, any keyboard shortcuts will be relevant to Windows users only. Older versions of Windows such as Windows 7 or Windows 8 can also be used to follow along. However, the way things appear on my screen may be slightly different. The software you're going to want to get to follow along exactly is Notepad++ and Google Chrome. Notepad++ is a free tool and lightweight editor that will make our content legible with syntax highlighting. You could use Windows' default Notepad editor, but it will not provide you the features nor flexibility of Notepad++. Google Chrome, if you haven't already heard of it, is the primary browser on Android phones, but a browser you specifically need to download as it is not a Windows default. It's an alternative, and in my opinion, far more superior browser to that of Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, and Firefox. We will use Google Chrome for viewing our web pages, and as we progress, its developer tools will be used to dig deeper into our content. The download links to these applications will be in the video and also in the video description. Before you continue on with the remainder of the course, ensure you have these applications installed. As we progress, I look forward to answering any questions you may have, and welcome to the exciting world of web development.